Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Indonesia, my name is Salman, the representative of Law Faculty of Surya Kencana University for Pemilihan Mahasiswa Berprestasi 2020. Indonesia is a country that has a distinct ideology from other nations. Pancasila was born as a guideline for an Indonesian nation which regulates almost every single life aspect that has to be accorded toward Pancasila as an ideology, as well as in achieving the ideals of the Indonesian nation listed in the preamble of Undang-Undang Dasar Republik Indonesia, fourth paragraph must be based on Pancasila. Indonesia is a state of law. This is stated in Article 1, Paragraph 3 of the Undang-Undang Dasar Republik Indonesia that the state of Indonesia is a state of law. Apart from being a state of law, as well as a welfare state, stipulated in the preamble of Undang-Undang Dasar Republik Indonesia, fourth paragraph, also as the ideals of the nation that is to advance general welfare. In achieving this general prosperity, the state enters into the life of its people. This is consistent with the theory of community agreement that gives the authority to the state to lead and regulate its citizens. The theory of community agreement gives to the government authority to regulate some of the rights that have been surrendered. The status of a welfare state has become a characteristic of all states that claim to be a law state, which is often referred as the modern law state, or the law state in a broad sense. That is, the task of the state, in addition to organizing its government, is also obliged to hold public welfare. The Indonesian state, in achieving the ideals of the nation, realizes its prosperous society, namely by compiling programs and implementing sustainable development policies in an optimal manner, including developing programs and policies in the economic sector and industrial relation. The achievement of stability in the economic field is determined by the stability in the sector of production of goods and services. In other words, the stability of production of goods and services greatly influences the success of the national development program, especially in the field of economic development. In fact, to create a good industrial relationship is not easy, so that conflict in industrial relations often occur. The conflict was born as a result of an imbalance in all components of industrial relation. Imbalance experienced by the three components in industrial relation, that is worker, our labor, employers, and government, will have a significant impact on national development, especially development in the economic field, so that it can become an obstacle for the Indonesian state in achieving the ideals of the nation. Based on the data from the Ministry of Manpower in 2014, the number of workers laid off was 77,687 people. This number shrank to 9,822 people in 2017. And down to 3,362 people as of September 2018. This data was compiled from the Director General of Industrial Relations Development and Labor Social Security and Social Security Employment. The Labor Inspection System aims to oversee the implementation of labor laws and regulations, provide technical information and advice to employers or management and or worker on matters that can guarantee the effective implementation of labor law and regulation concerning employment relation and employment conditions in the sense broad, collecting information material for the formation and improvement of the new labor laws and regulations. Labor inspection, as stipulated in Article 2, Number 2 of the Ministry of Manpower Regulation Number 33 of 2016 concerning manpower inspection procedures, is carried out based on the principle of public service, accountability, efficiency, effectiveness, universality, transparency, consistency, proportionality, equality, cooperation, and collaboration. This should be reversed for the labor inspector employees in carry out their duties and function optimally. With the regulation of the Minister of Labor, a working relationship that is in accordance with the applicable legal umbrella should be created. In fact, to optimize economic development in Indonesia is not easy. One of the factors is the lack of supervision in labor relations. One effort that can be done to improve economic development in Indonesia is to increase supervision in industrial relations by establishing an independent commission for labor inspection which consists of worker or employer, government, and law enforcement officials who have the authority to supervise labor and follow up on the result supervision in a workplace related to industrial relations.